Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain about our latest instrument IR Spirit FT-IR spectrophotometer. So before going to start our instrumentation, first I would like to share what are the requirements for this particular instrument. So first of all we required palette and some of basic instruments, like we have this palette holder here. When we will prepare the palette, then we will put this palette here. Then we required mortar pestle. This mortar pestle actually came with the instrument, and these are some basic instruments for palette preparation. Then we required KBR. This is IR grade KBR. We have taken this KBR and we dried this KBR in oven at 100 degrees centigrade for 1 hour. So moisture, complete moisture has been evaporated. Then this sample we have collected from Meek Pharma. We have paracetamol sample, and this is having a potency of 99.56%. and this particular sample is having validity up to 6 August 2021. So this sample we have taken. Then we have this hydraulic press. So in this hydraulic press I will prepare the palette. We have this latest instrument of IR Spirit. So before going to start, first we have to remove come closer. We have to remove this silica, and here this is sample holder. Here we will keep our this palette holder. So now we will prepare our sample and reference. We will start to prepare our sample. So before going to start sample, first we have to prepare the KBR palette, plain KBR palette. So just I have taken this dried KBR, and now I will prepare the KBR palette. So I think this much quantity is sufficient. Then I will triturate this. We'll pour this into the palette holder. Then we have one die is there, and this one is another die. We'll put here, and we will apply approximately 7 gauge pressure to prepare this disc. We have applied 7 gauge pressure. Now we will release the pressure. So you see here we got this transparent disc of KBR that is blank. Now we will prepare our sample. So for sample preparation we have to take KBR and our drug which we have taken from Meek Pharma. and the ratio of drug and KBR is 1:100. So one part is drug and approximately 100 part of KBR. Then we have to triturate this. So our drug is mixed with this KBR. We have mixed our drug with KBR and place the drug into the dye. So this is one anvil part and this is another part. Then we will apply pressure of approximately 7 gauge. We will apply the pressure of approximately 7 gauge. So we have prepared this palette for sample also. So before going to start our experiment, we have to initialize the instrument. So this is a Shimadzu instrument. So we have software lab in solutions IR. We have not set any password, just we will press OK. So this type of image will come. So this is our software which is a Shimadzu instrument software, Shimadzu Lab Solution IR. So here two options are there, shortcut and macro. In macro several options are there like post run, spectrum, quantitation, photometric mode. We have to just take the spectra of paracetamol. So we will press spectrum. It is initializing the software. So here, before going to start the instrument, just we have to initialize. Initialization, and we have to press the instrument also. Then there are 6 steps are there. So it will check all the parameters. It is checking control parameter, then checking laser, then checking light source, then checking the detector, then moving mirror also because it is FTIR, so it is checking the moving mirror, then checking the stability of laser temperature also. All the 6 steps, when all the 6 steps will okay, then it will check the stability of moving mirror, that is 7th step. Checked all the 7 steps. Then if instrument is properly working, then green light will come. So these means humidity is okay, lamp infrared is okay, laser light is okay, laser temperature is also okay, and window is also okay. So here we have 3 compartments, that is background scan, sample scan and monitor. So just we have prepared our blank, that is KBR. we have to put the KBR, that is blank, into the sample compartment. So we have to put just this KBR disc into the pallet holder, just like this. Close the lid, and we have to press this background scan. So here we have by default we have taken 30 scans, and resolution we have set the resolution 2, so it will scan the background as well as sample 30 times. So it is asking, please prepare sample compartment for background scan. We have already placed the KBR pallet, so just we will press OK. Now it is scanning. So and here actually we number of scans we set 30. So here you can see it is scanning 7 out of 30, 8 out of 30. So it will scan till 30. Scan already done. Scanning for 21. Has done. So just again we will go in the measurement mode. Then we will put our sample. Sample, then we will press the sample scan. So we have already set 30 scans, so it will scan till 30. Here you can see 7 is going on, and we are getting the spectra of paracetamol. We got the spectra of paracetamol. Now we have to check different types of peak. So for a peak calculation, we have to go in peak pick mode. So we have pressed this peak pick, and then we are going peak pick. Then here you can see threshold noise level. We have set it this threshold level at 55 and noise level at 3. we are giving the noise level as 2. Then here calculate option is there, we are calculating this. So you can see peaks are, now peaks are showing. So just we will press OK. So these type of peaks are there. We have peak started from 604 and we have peak at 3326. Then we have peak at 1700. Then 1796 we have peak. The intensity is also showing. Then we have to save this spectra. So for saving this spectra, either we can print the spectra or we can save the spectra. So for saving the spectra, we have print with template. Then we will press print with template. Then different options are there. So we have this peak table, peak and data table print. We will press this and we will give the name as a paracetamol, or we will write PCM. Then just we will press open. No, it is asking just we have to click again print template, then print peak table. Okay. So now it is asking saving the spectra in Microsoft XPS document writer. We will press just OK. Here we will give the name PCM. We have this spectra of PCM, which is the latest one, and we have all the peaks along with the peak table. So like that we can take a IR spectra of any compound and we can interpret this.